Have you ever wanted to make your photos literally jump off the page? Today I'm going to show you how to create this out of the frame effect using only Canva. I already add the same image to the project. I duplicate twice, moving down and up a bit. So using the original image, go into the edit, go into the filters, see all, scrolling down to the mono and choose the newspaper. I'm sorry, I pick up from one. So I'm moving this one to the center and starting to crop a bit. Like this. And maybe even more a bit to the up. Like this. And now it's selected. Going up to stroke style. I give it just a stroke, normal stroke. Weight has to be around 20. And going to the stroke color and now choosing white. And I will create the golden frame in the end of the video. So one more thing, corner rounding, and I just moving up to 100. Now we're using the third image and just moving to the top. So that we have 3 layers, and going to the background remover. I remove the background and I just crop the image to get this part. So the under the frame we have the layer, the bottom layer. So this is how it looks like now. Might be this frame. So going to the positions, to this one might be the frame. I'm just moving a bit up, not this one. I said click on this, like this. It looks even better. And now going to the top. No, it's not good, sorry. So it has to be a bit done. So just moving to back to the original. Sorry, it was my my bad ID. Maybe if we just moving to this, to the, yeah, like this, it's even better. I think, yes, now it looks even better. Even the movie is like moving out of the frame. Or going to the positions again and maybe even crop it like this. Yeah, and you can move it to the right, a bit more up. Yeah, it's more natural. Really looks like she is jumping out of the frame. So now we have this white frame, and I promised you I will do this golden frame. So I just looking for an item called golden plate and find this. And just moving to here, going again to the positions and select again the middle one. Stroke color. And going to the add new colors, gradient, adding 3 colors, and now using the color picker, to picking the golden colors, and this one will be the lightest one, and change the style like this. And now we can delete the golden plate, and now we have the same effect. As you can see, that's a gradient golden frame, and she is jumping out of it. So that's a really nice final outcome. I really like it. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit a small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, to feed the algorithm, our greatest friend. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in the TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.